Hey guys, I'm here at Margarita Monday. Apparently their 91st episode.
This is episode 91. I can hardly believe it. We're at the new La Fogata at Dominion Ridge. This is their top shelf margarita. Apparently now they call them chispas. I added some jalapeno. This is a jalapeno chispa. Very well rounded, not too sour, not too sweet. A little strong. I give it 5 out of 5 limes.
I would rate this one 5 out of 5 too because they know how to pour on the liquor.
How many limes is the max?
5.
Oh, I'll definitely give it like a 7.
Hey guys, Krista here. Switching it up, and I went for a sangria margarita, and I'm gonna give this a 4.5 out of 5 limes. It's pretty delicious. You can barely taste the tequila, which is probably troublesome, and it's also really pretty. Join us next time at the original El Chaparral on Bandera in Helotes. As always, at 7 p.m. Cheers.